Hi, let's see how we can save some money on investigating, and this time by switching EFS non-prod instances back to Single AZ. So one zone storage classes store data redundantly within a single availability zone or AZ, offering a 47% lower prices compared to standard or multi-AZ storage classes. So regional multi-AZ should be allowed only for production accounts. And also, sandboxes and non-prod accounts must use the one zone or single AZ storage. So to detect multi-AZ with EFS service, just connect to the console, navigate to Amazon EFS service, and check the availability zone column here. And if you see a regional value, it means that the file system is using multi-AZ. To find all the optimizations in your organizations, you can use Asina to query the core or focus file, and then you can filter by service here, Amazon EFS, charge description with standard storage, and also account name. So let's say you want here to pick all your accounts name having non-prod or sandbox account value in it. And so how to fix it? It's pretty hard because to change an Amazon EFS file system from a multi-AZ regional to single AZ one zone, you cannot directly modify the existing file system's configuration. And so instead, you must create a new one zone file system and migrate your data to it. And so here are the different steps. First, you have to create a backup. So before making any changes, ensure you have a backup of your existing EFS file system, and you can use AWS Backup to create a backup of your current regional file. Then you need to set up a new EFS with the one zone storage class in your desired availability zone. And then you need to migrate the data, so just copy your data from the existing regional file system to the new one zone file system. And so you can use AWS Data Sync or any other data migration tools to facilitate this process, and then finally update mount targets and client configurations, test and switch. And of course, once confirmed, just decommission the old regional file system.